Scant Pair 809-896 presents to you agitators, fire alarms, pulse stations, back box, outdoor alarms, these downy ball things, Fidgies, and sprinkler heads, which I don't have down here. A robot, a box, a binder of some sort, oranges, Alright guys, what do I have here? Yep, you guessed it, I have all my alarm collections. Alright, we're gonna start. My collection's really small, but it's gonna grow because I'm gonna buy more alarms. Here I got a Spectral Alert Advance, P2RK. Gotta unscrew this because the screw keeps getting stuck in there. Alright, see? P2RK. It's on 15 candela horn strobe. And what I saw weird, I saw an outdoor Advance mounted sideways at someone's job. What a fail. So, yeah. Comment down if you want me to do fire alarm fail series. And send me pictures. Alright. Next alarm. Got a Spectral Alert Classic horn strobe. 4-wire. I hate 4-wire. It's so annoying. 2 wires way easier. Got a Simplex dual action T-bar. Gonna pull this. Alright. Gotta grab my key from this one. Whoops. Can't do this with one hand. Alright. There's a fidget spinner hiding there. Alright. I'll put that back in. BG12. Honeywell. This is so hard to reset. Alright. Up next is the BG10. I tried turning into a BG10L, but I failed, so now I have some huge holes in this thing. And now, where is my Allen wrench? I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. As you see, it's pulled. Then the long screw in there. So yeah, I finally got it in. I finally have an intro video. So yeah, so annoying. Ugh. Guys, I'll be back when I finish unscrewing it. Alright guys, I'm about finished unscrewing it. There it goes. Screw's kind of hard to screw back in. So yeah. Yep, I got it. I think, nope. Really need a new BG10. Alright. So annoying. I'll be back, guys. All right, finally got it. The threads on the thingy, whatever the heck it's called. I'm screwing this back on, and it's now on. I would also put my finger in this hole, and there's like a button in there, but yeah. There's a fidget spinner. All right, next up, got another Spectralert Classic 4-wire. Next is one of my favorites, the BG6 pull station. This thing is rare, and it's also a screw, so I don't need a wrench because I don't screw that all the way in. Yep, really heavy and made of all metal. That was loud. Alright, I got the screw on. Alright. Next up, got my third and last Spectralert Classic. I ordered all 3 of these for $50. So yeah. And yeah, I forgot to mention this one, BG8. That's how it pulls. This is how it resets. Oops, I didn't reset it well. There, reset. All metal, all metal. And this is a normal indoor Vance. This is a P2RH. And people, don't be Captain Obvious and say this is a P2R, because see, P2RH, it's really blurry. And the reason why it's the P2RH, because it's in between the Candela selection, 185, then the lowest, that's 185 is the highest, and the lowest one is 135. So yeah, and it also came with a really cool back box. Clip this thing on. You would see Vances. These things are common. Vances are really common. All right. After that and that, because I forgot about that, I got my single action T-bar. Makes a little ding sound when I pull it. It's pretty weird. And yeah, pretty much reset like the not single action, dual action. And at last, got a True Alert and SER safety. Last night I commented down because you have a 4906 9127. So do I. Ain't that cool, SER safety? Really cool. And something fell off. So yeah. And something in there fell off. So yeah, I don't think it's usable anymore. But yeah. Saw my collection, robot. I just got finished with doing my intro, and that's where I slapped that box over there. BG10, reset screw, whatever, Allen wrench thing, classic, BG6 classic, single T-bar, True Alert, BG12, dual action T-bar, classic, P2RH, P2RK, BG8, classic, BG10, and yeah. And I got downy balls over there. What's weird, and you guys don't necessarily need to comment down why this thing is purple, because this thing is so old it turned purple. Pretty weird, huh? And it's one of the older kind of downy balls. So yeah, I'm keeping this. I'm never getting rid of this thing. It's vintage. Vintage. So, yeah. This is my whole entire collection. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.